Sentence patterns. It was rainy yesterday. Kenu wa ame deshita. Explanation. Kenu yesterday. Ame rainy. Deshita was. It was cold yesterday. Kenu wa samukatta desu. Explanation. Samukatta was cold. Hokkaido is bigger than Kyushu. Hokkaido wa Kyushu yori uki desu. Explanation. Hokkaido, Hokkaido. What is the topic marker? Kyushu, Kyushu. Yori than. Uki, big. This is. I like summer best of the year. Ichi ni no naka de natsu ga ichiban suki desu. Explanation. Ichinen, a year. No is a possessive particle. Naka, inside, within. Natsu, summer. Ga is a subject marker. Ichiban, best or most. Suki, like. Was Kyoto quiet? Kyoto wa shizuka deshita ka? No, it wasn't. Ie, shizuka ja arimasen deshita. Explanation. Shizuka, quiet. Ja arimasen deshita was not. Was the trip enjoyable? Ryuku wa tanoshikatta desu ka? Yes, it was very enjoyable. Hai, totemo tanoshikatta desu. Explanation. Tanoshikatta was enjoyable. Totemo, very. Was the weather good? Tenki wa yukatta desu ka? No, it wasn't so good. Ie, amari yoku nakatta desu. Explanation. Yukatta was good. Amari, not very. Yoku nakatta was not good. How was the party yesterday? Keno no party wa do deshita ka? It was very lively. I met various people. Totemo nigiyaka deshita. Iro-iro na hito ni aimashita. Explanation. Nigiyaka, lively. Iro-iro na, various. Hito, people. Aimashita, met. Are there more people in Tokyo than in New York? Tokyo ni wa New York yori ooi desu ka? Yes, a lot more. Hai, zutto ooi desu. Explanation. Zutto, a lot, much. Ooi, many. Which is the faster way to get to the airport, by bus or by train? Koko e ikko no ni basu to densha to dochira ga hayai desu ka? The train is faster. Densha no hou ga hayai desu. Explanation. Densha, train. No hou ga is more. Hayai, fast. Which do you prefer? The sea or the mountains? Umi to yama to dochira ga suki desu ka? I like both. Dochira mo suki desu. Explanation. Umi, sea. Yama, mountains. Dochira mo, both. What do you like best of all Japanese dishes? Nihon ni ryori no naka de nani ga ichiban suki desu ka? I like tempura best. Tempura ga ichiban suki desu. Explanation. Nihon ryori, Japanese dishes. Naka de, among. Nani, what. Ichiban, best or most. Suki, like. How was the festival? Hello, I'm home. Konnichiwa, tadaima. Hello, welcome home. Konnichiwa, okaeri nasai. This is a souvenir from Kyoto. Kore wa Kyoto no miyagi desu. Thank you. Arigato. How was the Gion Festival? Gion Matsuri wa do deshita ka? It was very interesting. There were a lot of foreign visitors. Totemo omoshirokatta desu. Takusan no gaikokujin ga kimashita. The Gion Festival is the most famous of all the festivals in Kyoto. Gion Matsuri wa Kyoto no matsuri no naka de ichiban yuumei desu. Is that so? So desu ka? Did you take photos? Shashin o torimashita ka? Yes, I took about 100 photos. Hai, yakko mae gorai torimashita. Amazing. Sugoi? Yes, but it made me a bit tired. Hai, demo, chotto tsukarimashita. Reference words and information. Kinkakuji, Rokonji. Known as the Golden Pavilion, this Zen Buddhist temple in Kyoto is famous for its stunning gold exterior and serene surroundings. Fujisan. Mount Fuji is Japan's highest mountain and iconic symbol. It is a popular destination for hiking and offers breathtaking views. Toshogo, located in Nikko, this Shinto shrine is dedicated to Tokugawa Ieyasu, the founder of the Tokugawa shogunate. It is renowned for its elaborate architecture and vibrant decorations. Kokyo. The Imperial Palace in Tokyo is the primary residence of the Emperor of Japan. It is surrounded by beautiful gardens and historic structures. Todaiji Daibutsu. Todaiji Temple in Nara houses the Great Buddha, one of the largest bronze statues in the world. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Kanda Matsuri, one of Tokyo's most famous festivals. Kanda Matsuri is held in honor of the Kanda Myujin Shrine. It features grand parades and vibrant traditional performances. Tenjin Matsuri, held in Osaka. Tenjin Matsuri is one of Japan's top three festivals. It celebrates Sugawara no Michizani, the deity of scholarships, with both parades and fireworks. Gion Matsuri, taking place in Kyoto. Gion Matsuri is one of Japan's most famous festivals. It spans the entire month of July and features processions of elaborately decorated floats. Himeji-jo. Himeji Castle is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Japan's most iconic castles. It is known for its white exterior and complex strategic design. Genbaku Domo. The atomic bomb dome in Hiroshima is a memorial to the victims of the atomic bombing during World War II. It stands as a symbol of peace and a reminder of the horrors of war. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Matane!